Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone, your trusted destination for deep tech dives and future-forward photography insights. The digital imaging industry is once again buzzing with speculation, but this time, the whispers have real weight. If you're a creator, pro photographer, or simply a gearhead hungry for the next innovation, the rumors surrounding the Canon EOS R6 Mark III are impossible to ignore. The latest developments suggest that Canon is cooking up something big, something that might not just evolve the R6 lineup, but redefine what a hybrid camera is capable of. Let's kick things off with the elephant-sized headline, the sensor. Historically, Canon's R6 series has prioritized speed and low-light prowess, traits that earned it high praise in both studio and field environments. The original R6 featured a 20.1 megapixel sensor, while the Mark II moved up to 24.2 megapixels. That resolution was decent, but many creators longed for extra pixels for cropping flexibility, detail retention, and versatility across genres. Now, according to fresh insider insights, the R6 Mark III could step things up in a major way. We're talking about a potential 30 megapixel to 32 megapixel sensor, a sweet spot in the photography world. This leap won't just enhance landscape and portrait performance, but will also offer greater freedom in wildlife and sports photography, where cropping is critical. And unlike 45 megapixel sensors, which often result in enormous files and processing demands, this resolution should deliver balance, clarity without compromise. But megapixels alone don't tell the whole story. One of the most exciting aspects of the R6 Mark III is its sensor readout speed. Leaks suggest it will sit somewhere between the blazing fast EOS R1 and the high-performance R5 Mark II. For context, that places the readout around 4 to 4.5 milliseconds, which could significantly reduce rolling shutter distortion. If you're capturing fast action, sports, wildlife, or high-speed events, this matters a lot. A fast readout means cleaner images, minimal skew, and better results when using the electronic shutter. So, while it may not quite match global shutter performance, it's pushing the limits for a stacked CMOS design. For event photographers, documentary shooters, and creators who rely on silent shooting, this could be a defining feature. Let's now turn our attention to usability. The R6 Mark III is rumored to feature a revamped electronic viewfinder and an all-new LCD articulation mechanism. The current R6 uses a 3.69 dot EVF, adequate but aging. The next-gen version may boost that to a 5.76 dot or even 9.44 dot display, offering a view so detailed and smooth it might rival traditional optical finders. A faster refresh rate, likely in the 120 Hz range, would ensure buttery smooth motion tracking and zero lag during intense moments. Then there's the screen, a favorite topic for vloggers and hybrid shooters alike. Canon may introduce a multi-directional articulation system, potentially combining the tilt and swivel designs seen in competing brands. This hybrid screen would benefit everyone from landscape photographers framing from the ground to videographers shooting dynamic handheld content. It's one of those subtle, usability-first upgrades that makes a major impact over time. What about the tech under the hood? The heart of this camera is likely to be a stacked CMOS sensor, possibly combined with a backside illuminated architecture. These advancements allow for faster signal readout, better dynamic range, and improved low-light performance. However, as with all new sensor tech, there could be minor trade-offs, such as a slight increase in noise at very high ISO levels. Still, the larger pixel pitch of a 32 megapixel full-frame sensor should help maintain respectable performance even in dim environments. On the video side, the Mark III is expected to be a beast. Canon has made tremendous strides in its hybrid video functionality, and this model could offer oversampled 6K to 4K footage, 4K at 60 FPS, and perhaps even 4K at 120 FPS with minimal or no crop. Expect Canon Log 2 professional monitoring tools, like zebra patterns and waveform displays, and industry-grade color science that continues to appeal to videographers and filmmakers. This device could very well become a true hybrid workhorse, delivering excellence in both stills and cinema-grade footage. Let's talk price, because let's face it, that matters. With all these enhancements, sensor upgrades, faster readouts, new displays, and innovative hardware, the price tag is reportedly climbing. Industry insiders suggest that the Canon EOS R6 Mark III will retail just below the $3,000 mark, likely landing at $2,999 USD. That's a $500 jump from its predecessor. Why the hike? Multiple reasons. First, global inflation and supply chain challenges continue to raise costs. Second, manufacturing tariffs, especially on Japanese-made electronics, are impacting prices across the board. But most critically, you're getting a massive leap in tech. This is no incremental update. This is a strategic repositioning of the R6 series into a semi-professional powerhouse, one that bridges the gap between the R5 and Canon's flagship R1. So, is it worth the price? If you're a creator looking for a camera that offers versatility, cutting-edge performance, and future-ready features, then yes, this price might just make sense. You're not just buying a camera, you're investing in a platform that's optimized for fast action, rich detail, and stunning video, all in a single body. The increasing precision in these leaks also suggests that an official reveal could be close. Canon has historically timed major announcements around mid-year, and this could follow suit. Keep your eyes open. Something big might be just around the corner. What do you think? Does the potential 32-megapixel sensor hit the sweet spot for your needs? Are the EVF and LCD upgrades something that excites you? And most importantly, can you justify a near $3,000 camera in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love reading your insights and hot takes. If this deep dive helped you understand what's coming in the next-gen Canon mirrorless world, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the next big development in imaging tech. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you soon with more breaking news from the world of photography and digital innovation.